So hi children, welcome to math class. So in the last class we finished exercise 5.4. Now we'll move to exercise 5.5. So what is this? So find the product of. So what we have to find? We have to find the product of 12 into 4. This is single number digit. So if you know the table 12 into 4, we can write directly 4. 12 4s are 48. So here it is 33 into 3. So we don't know the table. So what we will do? We'll multiply. How we will multiply? See here. 33 okay 33 into 3. So first what we will do, we'll multiply this with tens number. See, tens place, first units place, then tens place. So first product with the units place. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 99. So what is next one? 22 into 4. So always first with the units place. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 88. In the same way here, 4 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45. So we'll write directly here, 5 9s are 45. Next, 82 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 4 8s are 32. 74 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are how much? 14. So it is written directly because we don't have any other number to multiplication here. 50 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 4 zeros are 0. 4 8s are 32. Next, Roman number 2. Solve the following. So here some word problems are given. So we have to solve it directly. No need of writing, children. Okay. So how we will solve? 12 books can be placed in each shelf. See, 12 books can be placed in each shelf. How many can be placed in 4 such shelf? Okay, we have 4 such shelf, and how many can be placed? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 times. So 12 is multiplied by 4. It is 48 books. Okay. A school bus can carry 30 students per trip. How many students can be carried in 3 trips? So 30 into 3. It is 3 3s are 9. So it is 90. So 90 students. There are 11 players in a cricket team. How many players are there in 3 teams? How we will calculate? So 11 players are there. And now we have 3 teams. So what we have to do? 11 plus 11 plus 11 we can do, or else we can do 11 into 3. That is 33 players. Okay. So here 13 is multiplied by 4. How we will do? So first 4 is multiplied by tens place. So 4 3s are 12. So what we will do? 1 carry over. How we will do? Here comes a carry over, children. So 13 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. So what we will do? 12 it comes. So what we will do? We will write we'll take 1 as a carry over, and 2 we will write here. How we will do in addition? We will take carry over at the top. In the same way, multiplication. 4 1s are 4. Here 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 52. So 13 4s are 52. So this is a method, children. So next here, we have an examples. Here we have so many examples, children. And here it is solved exercise here. 5.6. What is there? 26 into 3. How you will solve? 3 6 are? How you will write? If you don't know 3 table, if you don't know 3 6 are, you can write even 6 3s also. If you know 6 3s are. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 in this way. So 18 is the answer. How you will write 18? So 1 we will write here and 8 we will write here. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 78. So we'll write here. So the answer is 78. 6 3s are 18. Here next. 2 8s are 16. So 1 here carry over, 6 here. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 76. 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, 280. 9 3s are 27. So 2 here, 7 here. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2, 19, 20. So the answer is 207. Next here. This take it as a homework. 5 6, 7, 8. So here I'll solve. 7 2s are 14. 7 4s are 28. Plus 1 is 29. Okay, children. Next here. Solve the following. There are 12 pencils in a packet. How many pencils? 12 pencils. How many pencils are there in 8 packets? So what we have to do? So number of packets is 8. So in each packet we have 12, 12, 12. So we can add 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. We can add it like this also. Now it is a multiplication. So what we will do? 12 into 8. We will do 12 into 8 times. So 8 2s are 16. 1 carry over 6. 8 1s are 8. 1 9. So the answer is 96 pencils. So altogether it is 96 pencils. If you add also, you will get 96 only, children. Okay, add 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Okay, you will get 96. 12 8s are 96. A flower has 5 petals. There are 25 flowers in a vase. How many petals are there in all? Number of flowers in a vase is 25. So number of petals in a flower is 5. We have to find the total number of petals. How we will find? We will find 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 here, 5 here. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So the answer is number of petals is 125. Okay. The cost of a book is 65 rupees. Find the cost of 3 books, 3 such books. So one book is 65. So we can add also 65 plus 65 plus 65 also we can add. But instead of adding, we will do easy method. That is 65 into 3. So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry over, 1 here. 3 6s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So cost of 3 such books is 195. Okay, children. So this is multiplication in other method. How we will do this method? So it is very difficult. It is don't want, children. It is not required for you all. This method is very easy. So you all follow this method itself. See, here is the method. So 11 into 12, how we will do? First we will do multiply by 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are. Next we will multiply by 1. So 1 1s are 1 1s are in this method. Okay. Here. I will show how to do. So 11 into 22. No, 11 into 12. How we will do 11 into 12? See here. 11 into 12. So till now we used to have a one number here. Now it is two numbers. So what we will do? First 2 1s are 2. Here again 2 1s are 2. Here. This one. First multiply this one with 2 numbers. So this becomes 22. Next 1. Next starts with the takes with the 1 place. So what we will do? Unit place is finished. Now we will go to tens place. So what we will do? This we will put as a into marks. Since we finished unit place, and we will put as a into mark here. Now we will start with the tens place. 1 1s are 1. 1 1s are 1. So the answer is 2. 2 plus 1 we have to add here. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1. So answer is 132. See here this way. So the answer is 132. Like this, children. So here it is 72 into 13. So how we will do 72 into 13? 72 into 13. See here. 72 into 13. So 3 2s are 6. First this one with 2 numbers. 3 7s are 21. Next here, since we finished. So after finishing units place, we will put into here. So units place finished. Now we will go to tens place. So 1 2s are 2. 1 7s are 7. So 6. Add 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. So the answer is 936 here. Okay, children. Here is the exercise. 5.7. 32 into 14. How we will do? First with the So 32 into 14. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Next, with the, see, we finished units place, so we'll put into mark. Now we'll start with the tens place. So 1 2s are 2. Again this one with this number. 1 3s are 3. So 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. Add 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 448. So next we will solve 55 into 11. So how we will do 55 into 11? Same procedure. 55 into 11. So 1 5 is a first units place. First in the units place will complete. 1 5 is a 5. 1 5 is a 5. 1 5 is a 5. Next, since we finished units place, we'll put into mark. Now we'll start with the tens place. 1 5 is a 5. Again 1 5 is a 5. So we'll do in this way. 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 605. So in the next class still we'll solve, children. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.